In this video, we shall demonstrate how easy it is to follow vehicles on the road by using Teleste S-VMX video management system's quick launch buttons. The quick launch buttons can also be used for tracking persons on the streets, stations, airports, or even in the special occasions such as parades or diplomatic convoys. Quick launch buttons are used for selecting the right cameras along the route of the followed vehicle. Pressing first quick launch button connects the traffic cameras 1 to 4 to the client's video displays. Next 4 cameras shall be viewed by pressing quick launch button 2 to connect traffic cameras 3 to 6 to the video displays. Traffic cameras are highlighted on the map just for demonstration purposes. By using Teleste S-VMX Titanium client and its quick launch buttons, it is very easy to follow vehicles on the road. Thank you for watching the video. More videos are available from Teleste.